Hello, Jeff here with ICB. Want to give you a real quick overview on how to do the email campaigns for your list broker program. When you get your email from us, you'll notice in your inbox you'll have an email that'll come from ICB staff, and the subject line will say ADB leads. Go ahead and click on that, then you'll see the file. Just right click on that, and then you're going to want to save it to your computer, and we're just going to go ahead and save it to our desktop for the sample. Second thing you want to do is you're going to want to get your email templates. And the way you find those is click under IBO training, click on Go Director, and then click here for the List Broker program. And here you see your 3 different templates. And we'll be adding more templates as we go. So let's go ahead and just click on the first email template. And this will give us the code that we're going to want to copy. Open up your Word doc, and then go ahead and copy the text and then paste it in your Word doc. Now, the thing I'm going to recommend you do is go ahead and make sure we got these fonts set up right. Do an Arial, do 11, and then take the opt-out and change that font size to 9. So this will be the email that's going to be sent out on the first campaign. Now you notice, and again, you can just follow this right along and watch this video as you're putting this together. And then a little box to the right of the script on the website, it says email number 1 subject. We have an opening in your area. It says copy the text, which we just did. Then you do a mail merge. I'll cover that with you in a second. And then the information in the green is that comes from your mail merge. And then, of course, all your personal information is in the yellow. Now, what you want to do here is, it says my name is, and put your name in there. And get rid of the yellow and put your area. I just put Iowa for me. And then down here is put your telephone number in. And again, you can kind of just do this right along with me on your own. You can always pause the video if you want to do it as you go. And then it says, here's your link to the overview. And where it's got your web name, that's where you're going to want to put in your replicated name. Okay, now mine is TopSpot. And you put whatever yours is. And so the web replicated address is iClubBiz.com/your web name # and Pro25. That takes them right to the ADB program. And then what I'll do here, just make it easier, I'm going to copy that. Copy. I'm going to paste it down here because we're going to want to have the same thing down here. Paste. And then your name, just copy your name, copy, paste the name in there. Oop. Paste. And then email. Put your email in there. And then your phone number. Oops. Got a little space there. Copy that. Paste. So now I got all the personal information in there. And again, just double check to make sure we got everything Arial 11. And I'll double check the font color. Make sure we got all the font the right color too. Good to go. Now, so we got the text portion set up on the Word doc. Now we want to set up our mail merge. And what you're going to want to do, under your headings, click on mailings, and then click under select recipient, and then go down, it says use existing list. And now you're going to go to where you saved that Excel spreadsheet of the list broker. So we're going to go to our desktop, and there we go. Double click on that, and that'll open it up. And of course, that's the page we're going to be using. And now where it says hello, do a space and go to the insert field and put the first name, insert, close. So now what we've just done, we've inserted from the spreadsheet that prospect's name in that field. And so as you look up here, that's, let's go ahead, let's go review the results. So that's got Alicia. Every name will be different, okay? And you can go all the way, there's 200 names in the file. And so this will actually send out 200 individual emails to these people, okay? And now, so we'll get the email ready to rock. We've got it structured to go with the spreadsheet. Now when it comes time to do the email, you click on Finish Mail Merge, Send Email Messages. In the subject line, that's where you're going to copy that. And you put the subject line in there, paste. And then when you hit OK, it's actually going to send out all 200 emails to that list. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I've obviously already sent these out, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, there's only one thing left to do, and that's we need to save this file. So what you're going to do, you're going to go up, you're going to save this as a Word doc, and again, we're just going to save this to our desktop for this illustration. So we're going to go Desktop, and what we're going to do is we're going to call this Email Number 1 List Broker. Now the reason we want to save it is that next month when you get your emails in, you're going to want to send out a email to those prospects, but you don't want to have to redo all of this. So now we've actually saved this. In fact, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and close this Word doc and show you exactly what you're going to do. So next month, you get your spreadsheet in, you saved it to the computer, you're going to open up your Word doc, and then what you're going to do, open up Email List Broker number 1. It's going to say, hey, data from your database will be placed in document. Do you want to continue? Yes, we want to place that data in there. So basically everything is already set up. Again, go back to mailings. Now this is actually set up from the previous month's database. So all you really want to do is go into your select recipient, go under Use Existing List. And again, what you'll do next month is you'll actually pick the spreadsheet, the file that we actually saved for that particular email, for that campaign that came out, which would be different from the previous month. So when you pick that, took a little while to get up, I apologize. Again, wherever you saved it to, then you would double click on that. Same thing would pop up, then you would pick what sheet you want to use, hit OK, and then that information that is automatically downloaded. You don't need to do anything else. You just go up to Mail Merge, email the message. And again, your subject line would have been saved in there from the previous month. We didn't send it, so it wasn't saved. And you just hit OK. And so automatically you can send out 200 emails in less than 60 seconds. So again, we got 3 different templates that we work with. And so the 3 different templates, you'll do the same thing with each one of these 3. And again, as we add more, you'll save each one of those. So week 1, we send this one. Week 2, we send this one. Week 3, we send this one. And then next month, when you get your new database of prospects in, you do 1, 2, 3. So basically what we're talking about is probably 2 or 3 minutes worth of effort on a weekly basis. And again, as you look at the screen right now, again, we're not making any guarantees of income. But if we just teach everybody how to use the List Broker program and focus on getting 4, just on the List Broker payouts that we got through 7 levels, you can make a substantial income. And again, that doesn't include the money that you can make from the ICB comp plan. This is actually the List Broker program, which is a freestanding, all into itself comp, which is in addition to ICB's comp plan. Let's see if there's anything else we want to cover. I think we're pretty good. If you got questions, get a hold of your sponsor, get a hold of your business development team. They'll be more than happy to help you. And this is Jeff signing off.